alumni of Bohol Island State University main campus. Thank you, sir, for the invite. And of course, to all of its officials, to all who have organized for this event to be possible, all the musicians, songwriters, and artists all over Bohol, to the distinguished guests and visitors, and of course, the meaning behind this event, the dearest and most loved children and teenagers of Holy Trinity Orphanage, ladies and gentlemen who are here in this Bohol Artist Christmas for a Cause, good evening. So when I received the message from Mr. Ray, 2 days after topping the board licensure examination for professional teachers, I couldn't help but ask myself, what message could I possibly give in a room full of artists, musicians, and composers, the cream of the crop in the whole province of Bohol? What message could I possibly give knowing that I'm not a musician? I couldn't even barely sing a tune. I'm also not an artist in any way. And though I could weave and pen some words, I'm also not a songwriter. But I believe that we do not need the talent and skill to enjoy music, to enjoy the melody of music, to understand the lyrics of the music, even though we are not singers and artists innately, but we could enjoy, we could dance in the rhythm of music. And I really appreciate all the artists that are here, the Viso MC Chorale, and a table full of artists and musicians from all over Bohol. So I feel deeply honored and grateful to stand before you tonight at this meaningful Christmas gathering. It's truly inspiring to see many talented Boholano musicians and artists come together, united not only by the love for the music and the arts, but also by a shared commitment to a higher purpose, which is sharing the love with orphans. As I mentioned earlier, although I had many doubts as to what message I could center, what I could tell you tonight, but when I saw the meaning behind the event, which is sharing the love with the orphans, I am deeply touched and I am deeply moved by the cause of this event, because Christmas, although it has already passed, is a season of giving, a time when we reflect on the blessings we receive. And I know that all of us could really thank the Lord for everything that He has done in our lives this year. So let's give a huge clap to our Heavenly Father for everything He has done to us this year. And because of that, we could share that love and we could share that blessings to others and to the orphans. For the children we celebrate tonight, the presence and the efforts of the people behind this event are more than just an act of kindness. They are a message of hope, a promise that you are all seen, valued, and loved. Artistry is a gift. Music is a gift. Tonight, that gift becomes even more powerful as it transcends entertainment and transforms into a force for compassion and change. Whether through music, art, or simply the act of being here, we remind these children that the world is full of people who care. Let us make tonight not just a gathering, but a celebration of generosity and unity. Let the melodies we share and the connections we build create ripples of kindness that extend far beyond this room. To our hosts, organizers, and everyone who made this event possible, thank you for giving us the opportunity to make a difference. To the musicians and artists, very talented individuals, I am so amazed. Thank you for lending your talents and your hearts to this cause. And to all the children we are here for, although they are not here now, but know that you inspire us with your resilience and we are here to celebrate you. I want to remind you of something very important. You are not alone. You are part of a family of people who care for you, who believe in you, and who want to see you shine. Let this Christmas remind us that no act of love is too small and no dream is out of reach when we come together as one. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, everyone, and may tonight be a beautiful reminder of the power of art, music, community, and kindness.